Hello, in front of me I've got Xbox Series X. In this video I'll show you how to download games for this console. In the beginning you can download it from Xbox Game Pass or Microsoft Store. Let's start with Xbox Game Pass app, enter it, find the game you want to download, for example Minecraft, and just press install. Let's go to My Games and Apps, and as you can see, Minecraft is already queued. Now let's go to Microsoft Store. In here you can again select game you want to add and download. Let's select Rocket League and just press Get. Success. Tap Got it. And as you can see, Rocket League is already queued. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.